Very happy to share that following the entry into force on August 30, 2023, MCA Nepal has completed the procurement of some of the major contracts and made significant progress to prepare the sites for contractors' access. This included ensuring work on land acquisition and forest clearance, which are achieved in adherence with the regulation of the Government of Nepal, MCC, Environmental Guidelines, and International Finance Corporation, IFC's performance standard. I would like to highlight specific achievement and updates on electricity transmission project. MCA Nepal recently awarded and signed contract for $126 million for the construction of 400 kV gas-insulated substations at 3 locations from May to July in Navalparasi West, in Nuwakot district, and in Kanahu. These substations have a capacity of 1,000 MVA each and making them one of the largest substations of this country. Similarly, we recently completed a 1 million livelihood restoration program where 270 project-affected peoples got benefited from the Ratmate substation, which was acquired a year ago. And that paves the way for the project-affected people for business prosperity. Project-affected people benefited from the program through training on high-value agriculture, a wide array of vocational skills, job skills, weaving, advanced computer training, financial literacy. MCA Nepal, as I said, had acquired that land a year ago. The contractor for the 18 kilometer of the transmission line segment has been selected and will be awarded within this month of August. Consultant for supervision, construction supervision engineering are on board for the construction work for the both substation and transmission line. And they are working with MCA Nepal to relaunch procurement of the 297 kilometer remaining transmission line within this year. For the transmission line tower pads, land acquisition has been started. The CDO-led Compensation Fixation Committee, CFC, has been formed to fix land rate for 856 tower pads across 9 out of 10 districts. Rates for the lands to be acquired in Dhadi, Magwanpuri and West Navalparasi district have already been fixed on July 2024. MCA Nepal has also completed opening of bank accounts and provide financial literacy training for all persons receiving compensation, which are necessary precursor to making payment in these 3 districts. Similarly, the compensation fixation committees in 6 districts will now be fixing the land rates for respective districts. MCA Nepal also plans to start and complete work in the remaining district of Kathmandu this year. Forest census is a forest tree counting. Work has been completed in 9 districts out of 10 project affected districts. MCA Nepal is now doing the verification of those census to apply for forest permits. Similar to land acquisition, MCA Nepal plans to start and complete work in Kathmandu district this year. As important component of electricity transmission project, the power sector reform, power sector technical assistance, a contract worth $1.2 million was recently signed that will provide advisory support to the Regulatory Commission on economic, financial, technical, legal, policy and institutional framework. The goal is to create an enabling environment for transparency, efficiency and competition in Nepal's power sector. Likewise, a contract worth $2.4 million was signed on 15th of July to provide consultancy services to enhance electricity use with a focus on preparing municipal energy plans and developing capacities for productive use of electricity within affected wards under the MCA Nepal partnership program. It is a benefit sharing activity under the electricity transmission project. On the progress and update on the road maintenance project, which is our second component, the initial environmental examination IE report has been approved for 40 km of Dhanpala to Lamhi road section in East-West Highway, which falls in Dang district. MCA Nepal plans to round the procurement of road maintenance work using full depth reclamation technology at the earliest this year. The full depth reclamation technology is said to be a climate smart technology for Nepal. Looking ahead, our goals for the second year are to sign the contract for the remaining 297 km transmission line and move ahead with the construction of the already contracted substation and 18 km transmission line and fix land rate for all remaining districts in affected area, and to move ahead with the road maintenance works with the selection of the contractor. We anticipate meeting these goals, but we know that historically in Nepal, working with community that will be impacted by the project's land acquisition can take time. We have been successfully navigating this and setting the bar in terms of handling this process fairly and plan to continue as we move forward.